Hi, it's James from Furo Health, Lansing, Michigan. We've had some questions from customers about chemical-free. What is chemical-free is that when you use this water, there's no poisonous chemicals. They're called halogen chemicals, like chlorine and bromine. Those are dangerous chemicals. And we have pioneered a way to duplicate what's happened for 3,000 years or so in Japan, where soaking actually originated. They always soak in clean, clear, hot water with no poisonous chemicals in the water. So we've duplicated that in a system that recycles and reuses the water for many, many years by the use of a replaceable cleanable filter that costs all of $12. So it's very, very inexpensive to filter and keep your water clean, and it's easy to do. So we have made a water chemistry care package and a DVD that you play, and you learn everything that we've learned in 40 years of being in business about taking care of your water with no chemicals present in the water. It doesn't mean you don't need chemicals, but the chemicals that you do mostly use is what we call spa up and spa down, which is just about like vinegar and baking soda, but it's formulated for hot water. The test strips tell you how much to add of each one of these items to take care of your total alkalinity and your pH according to the directions in our DVD. Very, very simple, very important, because all sanitization happens when the pH is balanced properly. The ozone that's coming in the bubbles in the water here is the primary sanitizer. A secondary backup needs to be used with ozone because it's not quite 100% enough to totally sanitize your tub. We have a Nature 2 cartridge that puts silver nitrate in the water. You tie a string to this and you dangle it right in front of that jet. The water flows through the cartridge and puts a trace amount of silver nitrate in the water, and it makes it so you need no chemical shock. So we use Renew, which is a non-chemical form of peroxide. It's called peroxymonosulfate, and it shocks the water and cleans the dissolved solids out so the water stays like ours is here, shiny, bright, clear, good looking, no bad odors and no cloudiness. And so between Renew, Nature 2, Balance Your pH, and Ozone, there's almost nothing to do. So it takes you about 10 minutes a month to take care of all the things you have to do with the water, and it takes you maybe as much as 5 minutes to open the filter cartridge and take the filter out and put a new one in. But it's a cleanable filter, so you can just rinse it out in the kitchen sink or with a garden hose outside and put the same filter back in, and they last 6 months or more. And they cost all of like $12. So it's a very, very reasonable setup. It's very easy to do, and we're always here to talk you through with questions about your water chemistry and how to make it work very, very well. This is our claim to fame, is that we pioneered the use of all hot tubs in the United States with no chemicals in the water when you use it. We don't want to poison our customers. We'd like to keep you all alive. That's why we're in business. So no chemicals in the water when you use it. That's what we mean by chemical-free use of your tub. It also happens to be the least expensive and the easiest, simplest way for you to do it. Big benefit is it actually makes your tub into a water recycling machine that recycles. Some people have used the same water in their tub using our system for 8 years and never had to drain it. They did have to add a little water to it. An inch or two of water is a whole lot better than, filling it all up with another 80 gallons of water. So it's a brilliant system, and it's yours with your tub on our DVD. We don't give this away to people. We sell it to people who want it to run their bigger outdoor tubs with, but you get this system when you get the tub. It's part of the program, and it's guaranteed to work. Follow our directions, do what we say, and you'll never have a problem. It'll be great. James from Furo Health, thank you.